Today I'm showing 3 budget DIYs that look surprisingly expensive. I made a floral candle holder, a mother-of-pearl box, and a trifold mirror frame, all using affordable supplies and stash items. So if you love elegant decor for less, you're in the right place. Budget to Beautiful is a collaboration that offers something that is budget-friendly and you make it beautiful. Hi, my name is Cindy, aka Z9designs. Sit back, relax, and enjoy some sunshine if you have any, and watch my beautiful transformations. DIY number 1, a floral candle holder. So you can see that this DIY is very minimal, but it is strikingly beautiful. The supplies needed include a clear glass cylinder vase, floral rub on transfer, and a candle. That is it. My inspiration came from Perigold Napa Home and Garden votive candle holder that sells for $92. Well, mine is similar, but within my budget. And since I already had the clear glass cylinder vase from Dollar Tree a long time ago, so it was only $1, and so it cost me nothing. Now, I did purchase some rub-on transfers from Amazon, but I only used one sheet, and that cost about $2. And by the way, make sure you clean the glass vase very well with alcohol. And all I had to do was to size it to see if it would go all the way around the bottom part. And it did. It fit perfectly. Now, of course, I needed to remove the backing and rub it on with my fingers and adhere it to the vase well. Now, it came with a little scraper that you can use, but I find that my fingers do a better job. So I did have a difficulty with the stem when I got to the very end. But that was no problem. I just removed one more flower and rubbed that on the empty space. Now it looks better than what I expected. And I put a candle inside, lit it, and the flickering light is amazing. Spring has sprung and this candle can be used until fall. So let me know what you think. From budget to beautiful, the cost is about $2.50. DIY number 2, mother-of-pearl box. I think this is amazingly beautiful. The supplies needed include mother-of-pearl chips from Dollar Tree, hot glue, a box from Dollar Tree when they were only $1. I got that from my stash, and one bead. I saw a mother-of-pearl decorative box from Curry and Company that sold for $944 on sale. That was for 2 boxes, and they were beautiful. Now, I'm going to make mine on a budget because I do not have over $1,000 to spend on a box. So I dug in my stash and I found a box from Dollar Tree that was originally $1. I hit the jackpot. However, the process is very time consuming, but I just did a little bit at a time. I started on the bottom sides and just randomly glued the chips on around each side. Now, one thing to consider is the lid has to be able to fit when you put it over the box. So I left the lid on while I glued on the chips. Once the sides had mother-of-pearl chips on, I started on the lid and glued the chips on all sides. And lastly, I started on the top of the lid. It seems as if that just took the longest time, but hey, I got it done. And because the pattern is random, you will see ivory and tan throughout the box. And once it was completed, since I'm only making one box, I put a bead that have hints of tan and hot glued that to the top of the box. I think this is amazingly beautiful. What are your thoughts? Costs are approximately $3. What a savings! Now, Budget to Beautiful is hosted by Craft Along with Jay and Touch by Time Atelier. This collaboration invites you to make something beautiful and on a budget. The hosts are sweet, kind, hardworking, and these awesome women will show you some amazing items made from budget to beautiful. The link to their channels is listed in the description box below. So be sure that you like, save, comment, and subscribe. Now, there are other crafters who have made some interesting things, so check out their channels as well. The link to the playlist is in the description box below. On to DIY number 3, Trifold picture frames with mirror. Now, I can't recall seeing anything exactly like this, but here goes on a budget. The supplies needed include 2 Dollar Tree arch frames, 4x6, 1 Dollar Tree arch picture frame, 5x7, looking glass spray paint, a napkin of your choice, 4 hinges with the screws, Mod Podge, and chipboard. I purchased 3 arch frames at $1.25 each for a total of $4.75. I had some hinges on hand and began the process. Now, to get the hinges to go the way I wanted them to, I must say I had to look at it a few times and figure it out. But hey, I did. I punched 4 openings, 2 on the bottom sides and 2 on the upper sides. I needed to do that so that I could start the screws and twist them into the frame. I twisted them on one side and then the other sides until the frames could stand up all as a unit. Now, once that was done, I started on the 2 smaller frames. I removed the backing. I determined and cut some chipboard to the appropriate size. Then I applied Mod Podge to the chipboard and removed 1 ply off the napkin and applied 1 piece to one side and the other piece to the other side. Now, the larger frame needed a little something, so I looked in my stash and found some looking glass spray paint. If you don't know about looking glass spray paint, it is simply fabulous. You spray it on glass and it looks like a mirror. I took the glass that was in the larger frame and sprayed the looking glass once, let it dry, and then I sprayed it a second time and let it dry. And I was amazed. I could see myself. Wow, this stuff is something else. I place it back into the frame, and now I have a little mirror for someone to see themselves. And 2 frames side by side that are just beautiful. Now, I left mine white. I did not distress it. I didn't do anything like that. And I left it as it was because sometimes I like to let things sit a while to see how it works with me and my decor. And then later on, I may spray paint it a different color or add a little rub and buff or something like that. But for now, I just left it like it was. You can also put another napkin there for the change of seasons. So I may do that and just show you that when that time comes. However, this went from drab to fab, and it only cost $7. This is cheaper than the $32 one that I saw on Amazon. Whatever way you slice it, it is a bargain. Now, if you have liked what you've seen, be sure to subscribe, like, save, and comment. Creating various crafts from whatever you have sometimes turns out great, and sometimes it turns out better than expected. Also, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Threads, and Facebook. And thanks for watching each and every week. I appreciate all of your comments. You all are so sweet. And remember, Lord, make me an instrument of thy peace. Where there is hatred, let me sow love. This is by Francis of Assisi. Bye. Love, Cindy.